Fans of the Galaxy will be shocked. The Galaxy S26 Ultra has been the subject of several rather unimpressive recent reports. No improvement to the zoom camera or charging increase. It didn't appear to be very exciting. But hold on, there is a glimmer of optimism today. According to a reliable source, Samsung is planning unexpected display enhancements for its upcoming flagship, which might be the game changer that enthusiasts have been waiting for. The display of the Galaxy S26 Ultra may amaze everyone. According to well-known source Ice Universe, Samsung is developing a cutting-edge display for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. They hinted that Samsung's fundamental display technologies will be a key factor in setting this phone apart, even though specifics are still unknown. Rumor has it that the Ultra may come with a color filter on the encapsulation-coated panel, a change that substitutes a black pixel definition layer for the conventional polarizer layer and a color filter in its stead. As a result, the panel is thinner, brighter, and feels more futuristic overall. It also uses less power. Furthermore, Samsung is allegedly preparing their newest Flex Magic Pixel OLED, reducing bezels, and enhancing outdoor legibility with improved anti-reflective coating. This might enable the display to automatically modify pixels using artificial intelligence, providing users with viewing angles that prioritize privacy. Imagine being able to scroll without fear of prying eyes. It's still unclear if Ice Universe is talking about these improvements or something more significant. One thing is certain though, when the Galaxy S26 Ultra, along with the Galaxy S26 Pro and Galaxy S26 Edge, emerge early next year, it will make an effort to stand out. The cameras feel too familiar, which is unfortunate. Camera speculations brought things back to earth just as expectations were about to rise again. According to reports, Samsung is continuing to use the Galaxy S25 Ultra's 50-megapixel 5x telephoto camera. The fact that Samsung intends to use the same sensor, which made its debut on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, in the S27 Ultra is even more annoying. That's 3 years without a significant improvement. To make things worse, the Ultra may also use the Galaxy S23 Ultra's and its successor's 200-megapixel primary sensor. To put it another way, some aspects of the camera system may feel familiar, even though the display may feel entirely new. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.